Okay, so now that we know the difference in the tongue positions between the E as in bet and the A as in bat, we will practice with minimal pairs to distinguish one sound from the other. So remember that E as in bet, the tongue is high and forward, jaw high, bet, bet. The A is in bat, I drop my jaw down, lower tongue is low in the mouth. Both are voiced, bat, bat, and bet. Bet. High sound, bet. Low sound, bat. The tongue position is very important for this. After you practice, after you listen to my minimal pairs, practice some. Use the voice recorder or use your own to record your own voice so you can listen to yourself and compare it to my recording. Okay, so I will not comment or anything as I do the minimal pairs. I'll leave some space in there so you can practice along with me, and then you can make your own recording afterwards. Okay, so here we go. Bet, bat. Pen, pan. Men, man. Head, had. Said, sad. Guess, gas. Letter, ladder. Better, batter. Dead, dad. Can, can. Pet, pat. Hem, ham. Set, sat. Pedal, paddle. Bend, band. Kettle, cattle. Okay, so practice those. Record your voice. Keep practicing until you can make the sound. And again, tongue position is the key to making many of the sounds, most of the sounds in English. So practice, and I'll see you on the next slide. Thank you.